Hello students, welcome back. As we have already completed our some chapters of English grammar, so today we will start with the first chapter of your NCERT, An Alien Hand. The chapter is The Tiny Teacher. So we will discuss about the summary of the chapter. Through this chapter, we are going to be familiar with the lifestyle of an ant. And we will get know that how an ant is unbelievably intelligent and hardworking. The story of an ant's life is too remarkable to be true. An ant is the smallest and the wisest creature that we have seen. Ants have comfortable homes called ant hills. Each home has hundreds of little rooms and passages. In some of these rooms, the queen ant lays eggs. Others are nurseries for the young ants. Workers have their reserved quarters. Some rooms serve as storehouses for food. Soldiers have separate barracks. Ants in a house never quarrel with each other. Each ant does its share of work intelligently and bravely, so the ants lead a very peaceful life. We know so many other facts about ants' life. People have kept ants as pets. They have watched their daily behavior closely. An ant uses its feelers or antenna to talk to or to greet other ants. There are many kinds of ants. The commonest among them are the black or red ones. The queen ant is the mother of the entire population of ants of a colony. It has a pair of wings. After its wedding flights, it gets rid of its wings. After that, it does nothing but lay eggs. Eggs hatch and grub comes out. Grubs take 2 or 3 weeks to become cocoons. Cocoons take 3 more weeks to become perfect ants. Thus, it takes 5 or 6 weeks for grub to become a complete ant. When the eggs become grubs, soldiers guard them. Worker ants carry the grubs about for airing, exercise, and sunshine. New ants are trained for the jobs of workers like soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. After a few weeks training, the small ants are ready to go out for work. Creatures other than the ants also live in the anthill. These are beetles, lesser breed of ants, and the green fly. Some of them give smell pleasant to the ants. Others give various juices, and some are just pets or playthings. The ants train green fly to give honeydew. They milk it just as we milk the cow. Man can learn many things from the ant, the tiny teacher. Hard work, sense of duty, discipline, cleanliness, and care for the young ones are some of them. Above all, an ant has firm loyalty to the land where it lives. Hard work is easy to see as each ant does its duty most regularly. Sense of duty and discipline are the most important qualities of an ant's life. That's why the ants of a colony are never seen to fight each other. All ants together take care of the young ones. Queen ant lays the eggs and soldier guards the grub. Workers feed and clean them. They also carry them about for airing, exercise, and sunshine. New ants are taught by the old ones. Thus, by discussing the summary of the chapter, we can understand that how an ant can be a teacher. Now you just can see some question on your screen. Get the summary of the chapter and try to answer these questions. We will discuss the answers in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a nice day.